Dictation number SV100E3. Get ready. Start. The nuclear fuel complex established in the year 1971 is a major industrial unit of Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. The Hyderabad site was selected recognizing the presence of many science and technology institutions, the industrial infrastructure available, and also the advantages of central location with excellent communication links with all parts of the country. The complex is responsible for the supply of nuclear fuel bundles and reactor core components for all the nuclear power reactors in India. It is a unique facility where natural and enriched uranium fuel, zirconium alloy cladding, and reactor core components are manufactured under one roof starting from the raw material. The unit has established one of its extended units at Payakkal in Tuticorin district of Tamil Nadu to manufacture zirconium sponge. India is pursuing a three-stage nuclear power program linked with the fuel cycles of pressurized heavy water reactors and liquid metal cooled fast breeder reactors. In addition, light water reactors have also been included in the program as per the mandates of the Department of Atomic Energy and the administrative directions of Department of Atomic Energy as well as Government of India are adhered in toto. From the very inception of the nuclear power program in India in the mid 1960s, great emphasis has been given towards self-reliance and indigenization in fabrication of nuclear fuels. Ever since its commissioning in 1971, the nuclear fuel complex of Hyderabad is playing a key role in this program and has been supplying natural and enriched uranium oxide fuels and zirconium alloy core components for all the power reactors in India. Indigenous resources, know-how and process equipment are being extensively utilized. NFC is perhaps the only facility in the world wherein under the same roof both uranium oxide fuels and zirconium alloy components are fabricated starting from the basic raw materials, namely magnesium diuranate and zircon sand respectively. So far, NFC has produced more than 9 lakh fuel bundles for the pressurized heavy water reactors, nearly 3,600 fuel assemblies for the BWRs, and a variety of zirconium alloy components for power and research reactors in India, including pressure tubes and calandria tubes for pressurized heavy water reactors. In addition, NFC has manufactured and supplied stainless steel core components for the fast breeder reactor program, seamless alloy steel and titanium tubes and other special high purity materials for both nuclear and non-nuclear applications. NFC has a highly qualified and committed team of scientists, engineers and technicians. This resource is combined with state-of-the-art equipment and technology and total quality management objective. NFC is poised to meet the challenges in the years to come. The NFC of the DAE is a unique industrial complex solely responsible for the supply of fuel assemblies and in-core structural components for India's nuclear power reactors. The decision to establish all the production operations at one location in Hyderabad was taken in 1965 by late Dr. Homi J. Baba, the then chairman Atomic Energy Commission, after due consideration of various alternatives, the construction work at the site covering about 1200 acres provided by the government of Andhra Pradesh was commenced in 1969 and the various units went into operation starting from 1971. The entire Maulali area on the outskirts of the city of Hyderabad, founded 400 years ago, which was originally a rocky area and undulating terrain country strewn with boulders, have now blossomed into a busy center with NFC and ECIL located side by side along with the township. The initiative taken by the Department of Atomic Energy has also stimulated industrial development in the entire area and transformed the landscape. The panoramic view of the plant site and the environs that one can command from the administrative building on top of the hill testifies to all this progress and solid achievement of the 3 decades. The public expects that NFC works in an environment that is safe. To reach the expectations of the public, NFC accords utmost importance to safety, industrial, radiological, personnel, as well as environmental in toto. NFC firmly believes and is committed to prevent all injuries. Safety is regarded as a line management responsibility and gets precedence over other production objectives. NFC believes that every job can be done safely and without affecting the health of employees. NFC being an industrial organization, it encourages participation from academic institutions, universities, students as academic and industry interaction to promote engineering sciences for their benefit. The Government of India has an administrative reforms as well as redress of public grievances relating to the states in general and grievances pertaining to central government agencies in particular. The department disseminates information on important activities of the government relating to administrative reforms and public grievance redressal through publications and documentation. The department also undertakes activities in the field of international exchange and cooperation to promote public service reforms. As per the directives of the department, NFC adopted a mechanism to act as a facilitator in consultation with various groups in NFC to redress the grievances of employees and public. The nuclear fuel complex comes under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, is purely a central government organization. Funds are allotted by the Government of India under demands of grant every year. It is governed by various rules or statutory orders, executive orders, and by the enactments of the Act by the Parliament from time to time. The ultimate authority vests with the Government of India in decision-making process. However, following due procedure and due diligence, the empowered authorities delegated with due power take the decision which are subjected to review by various committees as well as NFC board if the case warrants such. Moreover, to facilitate the empowered authorities in decision making, some subcommittees are temporarily constituted so that public interest is reflected both at present and in future course of action. The officers and officials of this organization belonging to A, B, C groups draw the pay and allowances as provided by the Government of India under CCS Revised Pay Rules 2016 and as amended from time to time. Stop.